Welcome to Melissa Coppel School. We are here today to make a special chocolate bar. This will be a bar with a maple syrup, with a brown butter ganache, and a crunch with cinnamon. I was inspired on a trip in Canada a few months ago, and in a restaurant I tasted a dessert with these three elements. I really like this dessert, and I tell to me, look, at one day I gonna make something with this beautiful combination, and today we will be able to make it in the form of a chocolate bar. So I hope you like it.